Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Aisha Zafar. My ID number is 18986435 and I am doing BS Agriculture in Plant Breeding and Genetics from Arid Agriculture University Rawalpindi. Today the topic of my presentation is Lucina leucocephala. Now I am going to talk about it. The tree name leucocephala derives from leo mean white and cephala mean head, which is referring to the flowers. This tree is a medium sized fast growing tree. Scientific name of this tree is Lucina leucocephala. Common name of these trees are cow bush, cow tamarind, horse tamarind, jumbie bean, lead tree, Lucina, white lead tree, wild tamarind, and apple. The family of this tree is Fabaceae and the subfamily is Mimosidae. The description of this tree is that it is evergreen tree, reaches height of 5 meter to 20 meter, and it is long-lived perennial legume. This tree has a taproot system and it is highly branched tree. The plant of this tree is self-fertile and most of the seeds are result in the self-pollination. It has ability to form a symbiotic association with rhizobium root nodules bacteria which are able to fix the nitrogen in the soil. This tree is suitable for sandy, loamy and higher soil. This tree cannot be grown in the shady areas, rather it prefers dry or moist soil and it is drought tolerant tree. The leaves of these trees are bipinnate, bearing numerous leaflets of 8 mm to 16 mm long with hairy ridges. The flower is a cream colored globular shape producing cluster of flat brown pods. The flower heads are in 12 to 21 mm in diameter and flowers are 100 to 180 flowers per head in group of 2 to 6 in leaf axial rising on the actively growing young shoots. The fruit of this tree is oblong or linear pod striped shape. It is expected that the fruit is ripened within 10 to 15 weeks. Flowering and fruiting are occur throughout the year of this tree. Origin. The origin of this tree is native to southern tropical America and Mexico. Globally distribution of this tree is that it includes the part of South America outside its native range, Asia, South USA, South Europe, Australia, America, and many occasioning Israel with warm climates. Nutritional value. The nutrition value of this tree is that it contains fat about 8.68%, crude fiber 22.59%, nitrogen is about 6.42%, sucrose 14.8%, and ash about 4.2%. Benefit. The benefit of this tree is many that some are as follows: that pod, seed, and leaf strips has been used as a food by the human in some countries of the world. The seeds of this tree can be prepared as a coffee substitute. Leucina leucocephala is used as a shade tree for cocoa, coffee, tea, and many others. It has high nitrogen fixing potential. It is used for the medicinal purpose for the treatment of diseases. It's also used in the paper and rayon industries. Due to its highly nutritional value, it is used as a fodder. Fodder tree. It is considered as a miracle tree because of its worldwide success as a long-lived and highly nutritional forage tree. Apple is one of the highest quality and most suitable fodder tree of the tropic, often being described as the alfalfa of the tropics. The leaf of quality comprised preferably with alfalfa in feed value except for its higher tannin content and mimosin toxicity to ruminant. Livestock should not be contain more than 20% of alfalfa as mimosine can cause hair loss and stomach problem in mammals. Environmental and other impact. Apple grow very fast in suitable states, polarity and copacetic to form a dense homogeneous thicknets that are difficult to control once established. Flowering means that cut off the top and branches of the tree to encourage the new growth at the top. And coppicing means that cut back of a tree to ground level. Invade areas become unusable and inaccessible with most other vegetation replaced. The Lucina leucocephala constitute a threat to native biodiversity. Once it establishes itself, it displaces native vegetation and can promote suitable conditions for the establishment of even more aggressive invaders. The mimosine is in the leaves of Lucina leucocephala cause hair loss, infertility, and stomach problem in the livestock, especially those that are not ruminant. Thus, it is a miracle timber tree. Multiple use has and it has a multiple uses include beneficial for pharmaceutical properties. The seed of this tree is used for medicinal properties, and it is also used to control the stomach ache, the and as constipation, and also used as abortifacient. And the seed gum is used in binding the tablet formation, and it is extract and the seed is extract to athletic anti-diabetics and the broader spectrum antibacterial activity. This tree, therefore there is no information about the use of their flower, fruit, woods, branches, stems, and roots of this tree. So we have needed to study of these trees leaf, flower, fruits, and etc. Thank you. This is all from me.